Yeah.
Finals game 3. Sneak peek Galactic Overlord. Let's look at Chuck for a minute.
Yeah.
That's Chuck.
You lurked up all praise, young man.
I can make a first turn cool play, but I don't think I want to.
Dude, it's so failure.
They make the airplane noise.
Gamer Mike's the worst YouTube channel out there.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm putting that out there.
I don't even.
I haven't seen one deck profile video, one trade profile video. Where are my profile videos? I haven't seen that forever because
I
is this
know.
game sloppy or
I just do it for fun.
Like that, like
nobody does it for fun. They all do it for 1,000 subscribers and then money.
Yeah, they're dumb. Who wants money?
Thanks.
Who wants money when you got memories? They go, remember that one time?
I can send
Jack
it
kicked
to increase its level.
I have the evidence.
Is that fine? Increase by 2.
Dragonfly effect. Increase it by 2. He is now 5 stools.
Oh, I hope I fucking. Oh, my control that shit.
If you have a fucking mind, I'm gonna be pissed as shit.
I do.
Oh, God. Effect. Increase by 2.
Yeah.
Search.
I know what's coming. Oh wait a minute, Chad doesn't have an inzektor deck. Yay!
What?
No,
If I had a Tyrius thing, that'd be cool. What am I searching for? Another Dragonfly?
Chad, go to your Vocasaurus.
I don't have it.
Oh, it's not out yet? Oh.
I'm kind of scared to do this.
We went cross-eyed right there at the end.
Go.
Zen Mayo, what the?
That's not a Vocasaurus.
No! This was my only protection.
From a rabbit. Vocasaurus pop himself.
That's right. This is keeping me in a good position right now until he gets rid of it. Okay.
Go ahead. Cook's dog wanted to set and do it. It's like, bro.
Allure.
Yeah.
Chad activates Allure.
Cards in. 3. Can you get the fuck out of my face?
Vegas, want me to show this hand over
Sorry,
here?
you does mean.
There's no out to a rabbit.
Show his hand.
Hand. Bubba, see it. Okay, play by play.
Play by play. This is the wall we're leaning against.
No, it's not a prison.
I'm leaning
Just
against
let
the
you
door.
know.
Oh, he lured. Remove crow.
Effect.
Yeah.
It's my grave.
Target, target.
I was hoping to hit a book so I could stop it. Yeah.
Effect.
Yeah. Yeah.
And rabbit runs away.
Orange glad it didn't say banana.
Ah, shut the fuck up.
Did say banana.
Centipede effects.
Shut the fuck up. Cheeks the grapes. Damn.
God, I'm gonna get fucked up right now.
Just like your what jinx? I don't give a fuck.
That's what Yu-Gi-Oh players refer to as getting fucked up.
Give me that look. Give me that look.
Tentacle Rape? No, you haven't seen it. Tentacle Rape is like getting Exodia first turn. Like without even drawing your hand, you get Exodia.
It won't stick there.
That's what Tentacle Rape's like.
Sticks there.
Jacob, you
Make
can
this
tell them all
Zen
about
Maya
that.
stronger?
You've been Tentacle Rape.
Sweet belt buckle. Show it off. Check out my sweet belt buckle.
Joey, did Bubba ever show you the video? He needs to.
What am I looking for?
It's classic.
This thing? Oh, let's just fucking make this thing. I kind of want a centipede in my graveyard. No, I don't. What the fuck am I talking
Chad,
about?
the YouTube video
Facts.
viewers will think you're weird when you're talking to yourself like that.
YouTube, I talk to myself.
Gamer Mike's few supporters might just disappear after that.
Oh yeah.
He'll be forever known as the kid that talks himself up playing Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yu-Gi-Oh's about to happen.
What's in my hands? These two are pop still?
Yeah.
Does he have doors? He has to. I'm scared.
I really want to get like really drunk now and just yell. And I hope it sounds like that. What are you trying to say?
Who's in the well? Tell us, Lassie.
You, I'll go there. Don't make me throw it at you.
I need another Giga Mantis.
Who's winning?
Fuck it.
Game 2?
Ladybug on Centipede.
You didn't declare a level.
I'm not changing its level.
Just for your information, 0 is
Cutter
up
tap.
2.
Up 2? Well, he's got to tell the viewers that. They're going to be like, what did this kid do?
Hornet effects.
They want to know the play-by-play.
Equip to Hornet and equip to
See, Tom,
Dragonfly.
that's why you're not on YouTube. You have to cuddle your viewers.
16.
This is it. Balls to wall.
What? No. This is like this. 16.
16. Does he have it?
What's this thing
I'm
at?
pretty sure that's games.
Descend.
Bubba has Gores.
16N.
24.
24. Is he waiting? What is he waiting for?
Trust fall.
25.
Everyone heard it.
I'm just fucking with you.
Game.
Bubba came into the bluffs.
Spaghetti. Guys, a winner. How do you feel? He's so
See,
happy.
that's not a champ right there. Real champs would be excited. That's not a champ right there, YouTube.
When you play Mackenzie, you want to kill yourself.
But they don't know
We'll
he's
end on
Mackenzie.
that. We'll end on that.
They don't know